Today is Wednesday. Here's today's action. Put your hands over your mouth. If you're not in an area where you're gonna spread germs, if so, do not touch your face. Put your hands on your ass instead. Kidding, put them on your knees. Think about this one if you're in a spot in your life that isn't working for you. Yeah, it's cheese, but sometimes you need cheese, and I'm American, and we're all about, cheese. Well, not usually good cheese, but I tell you, if you've never had Parmesan out of a green plastic tub thing, you haven't lived. Well, maybe you have, but it sounds fun to say, yeah? So, get your life. Stop thinking about everything else, because everything else stuff, it's making you. Let it make you. So here is your somewhat cheesy but also inspiring quote for today. You know what it takes to make a star shine? A shitload of fucking darkness.